Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll tell you what is YouTube Premium Lite and how does it work. Ever wanted to watch YouTube without ads, but do not want to pay for the full YouTube Premium package? Well, that is where YouTube Premium Lite comes in. But is it actually worth it? Or is it just another way for YouTube to take your money? Let's break it down. First, let me tell you what is YouTube Premium Lite. YouTube Premium Lite is a cheaper ad-free version of YouTube Premium, but with fewer features. Unlike the full premium plan, which includes ad-free videos, background play, downloads, and YouTube music. Premium Lite only gives you one thing, an ad-free experience on YouTube. No ads on YouTube, no background play, no offline downloads, no YouTube music. How much does it cost? YouTube Premium Lite costs around $7 per month in regions where it's available. That's cheaper than the full premium plan, which is about $12 per month. But here's the catch, it is not available worldwide. YouTube has only rolled it out in select European countries, and there is no guarantee it will expand further. So the Premium Lite will cost you $7 and the full premium will cost you $12. Is it worth it or a scam? So is it worth it? Well, it depends. If you only care about removing ads, Premium Lite is a good deal. But if you love features like offline downloads, background play, and YouTube music, you are better off paying for full YouTube Premium. And now let's be real, YouTube ads can be annoying. Sometimes you get two back-to-back unskippable ads, and if you are watching a long video, you might get interrupted multiple times. Sure, ad revenue supports creators, but if you are binge watching, it can be frustrating. That's why many people look for ad blockers or consider YouTube Premium. But with Premium Lite, YouTube is basically saying, hey, pay us a little and we will stop the ads, but we are keeping all the other perks locked behind the full premium plan. But why YouTube even introduced Premium Lite? Well, not everyone wants all the extra features of YouTube Premium. Some users just want a simple ad-free experience without paying for YouTube music or offline downloads. Plus, let's be honest, YouTube is testing ways to make more money, and instead of letting people use ad blockers, they are offering a Lite plan that removes ads but nothing else. It is smart from a business perspective, but does it really give users enough value? Final verdict, if you hate ads, it is worth it. If you want music and background play, it is not worth it. But here's the thing, since YouTube offers a free trial of full premium, it might be smarter to test it first before settling for Premium Lite. So what do you think? Is YouTube Premium Lite worth it, or is it just YouTube trying to squeeze more money out of us? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment and share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.